BRS, providing industry-leading service as standard. Regardless of size, location or sector, UK industry requires leading support to ensure that they stay moving 24/7. At BRS, we provide a tailored support package for your business, comprising of 3 core services: refrigeration, air conditioning, and process engineering. So where do we start? Each one of our client relationships begins with a face-to-face consultation. It's important for us to listen to each one of our clients to gain a deep understanding of the project as well as overall expectations. Following a consultation, we move on to the audit. When designing a solution, primary data and measurements are vital to fully understand and optimize the working environment. This ensures the design not only fits within the environment, but also maps out how it should be constructed. Based on the results of the audit, our experienced team will put together a detailed analysis of client requirements and a recommendation of a bespoke solution. Using advanced modeling software, we analyze each and every aspect of our design. We are tasked with discovering and providing innovative solutions that are not only economically efficient, but are also sustainable throughout the system life cycle. A system is a network of finely balanced, interdependent components that work together to accomplish a common goal. Process cooling can account for a significant proportion of your life cycle costs, as well as being fundamental to your production and product quality. Accurate, reliable temperature measurement and control are key to establishing a repeatable process. Measurement of the flow of a fluid, either liquid or gas, is the basic recipe of the process, knowing that the right fluid is at the right place at the right time. BRS implement the monitoring of pressure and fluid level into system designs. This is to ensure the safety of the system and its working environment. The process cooling application demonstrates how all the components involved are networked together to provide a constant temperature for the liquid application. This ensures that the liquid product is maintained in its optimum condition before proceeding further on into the process application. For over 30 years, BRS has been proud to provide the very best service in the industry. We understand that you want the perfect blend of quality and efficiency, whilst at the same time ensuring installation causes minimal disruption. At BRS, we don't believe in downtime. BRS provides you with complete peace of mind. Our bespoke, all-encompassing support package comprises of 24/7 support anywhere in the UK, a dedicated phone line for priority service calls, individual client login, priority response service for emergency situations, and a real-time diagnostics system. With access to the latest industry developments and products, BRS ensure that your business is always one step ahead of your competition. Should a process become available that is more efficient or more reliable, BRS will upgrade your existing system if beneficial. Likewise, our support package can be scalable. With site expansion or product diversification comes change. We understand that your needs and priorities alter over time, and you require a partner to grow with you. We provide the experience and support to help drive your business forward, rather than hold you back. So, as you see, regardless of your size, location or industry, BRS have the solution for your requirements. Why not inquire today and arrange a free consultation?